Hi, in this video, I will be explaining how can you buy templates from System Logic's website. First, when you go into systemlogic.online, you have different options in the navbar. In here, you see an option of template marketplace. When you click on that option, you can see different templates are in here. Choose the template that you want to buy or you want to write. Go into the details page, and in here, you can see different images of the template, or you want to see something more, you can click on the demo button to view the template file. If I click on this demo button, I will be able to see this template file. Everything that you see is on blockchain on ICP chain. It is decentralized canisters. So the entire front end, data storage, everything, hosting is all stored on chain. You can see different pages in here. You can see, for example, this button in which you can even have NFTs in here. You can go into the ecosystem to see the ecosystem, to enter a particular protocol. You can see governance for different types of DAO votings and other amazing features that are in it. This also comes with the dark mode. Also, if you want, you can even go for a template of admin panel as well. So if I go into the admin section, I will be able to see the admin panel. In here, you can also have the light and dark mode. You will have the users tab, you will have the analytics tab, you will have the content tab, and you will have the settings tab. Everything of this admin panel is also on ICP blockchain. If you choose the option to log out, you can log in from here again using the demo credentials. So this is how you can see different templates on ICP chain. You have other details that are in there written as well. So if I close this, if I go into the purchase section, I can see what I am getting. In here, you see there is different options. What you're getting your own canister, commercial license, is support team available for assistant, and 1 year worth of cycles included. This is an ideal template for any website on ICP chain. The advantage of System Logic's subscription purchase is that you are developers will assist you with whatever you help to want. You only come to System Logic's website, and from there, developers will manage all the things and make your life easy. Your hosting, data storage, everything will be secured on chain, and everything will be managed by developers, and you will have zero headache. So with the cost of just few dollars, you're saving yourself a lot of time, money, and energy. So after you have successfully chosen the template that you would like to purchase, you have read all the details that you are getting, then you can proceed with the payment. System Logic gives you an exclusive offer to allow you to do payment after you have purchased the canister. This is a very limited time offer to get a canister first, to get a website first, and then do anything. So if you click on pay now, you will be able to pay it now. But if you see that get canister first, pay later, you will get the canister first. This is again a limited time offer for only 100 users in the month of July. In here, you see different options of what to enter. You need to first enter your name. For example, I will enter my name. In here, you need to carefully add your email because you will be getting a template at your email. In here, you add the description of what do you want to add. You can add anything in here. For example, some specific things that you would like in your canister. So select the option that you want to use. You can also just select the option of I will manage the canister myself, and in here you enter the principal ID who you want to set as total. We recommend that you choose the first option so that we manage everything and save you with a lot of headache. So after you have selected these couple of options, then you get some additional add-ons. The first is data migration from your old website. This is to basically migrate all of your data from your old website to your new website. For example, when we will create this website on ICP chain, we will take all the data from, for example, your WordPress website on this ICP website. And this again is a very, very limited time offer only for the month of July for the limited users. So if you select this option, you will be able to migrate the data. Then, do you want an additional database, data storage canister on ICP for storing of your users' data and all that stuff? So we will create a database for you to store your data that you want to store in. So you can select that option as well, or you can skip. Then there is an option of an admin. The template we showed you had two options. One was the landing page that we saw you, and the other was the admin panel. If you select to purchase the template, you will only get the template but not the admin panel. But if you also want the admin panel for the user's data, you can select this option as well. Finally, you have an option of the source code. Do you want to get the source code? This is not needed for most of the users who don't want to make any changes themselves. If you want, you can select this option as well. Also, the final option gives you a developer that is exclusively for you to help you through different processes to make different changes within your canister, and it is a monthly subscription process. For the first one, you're getting this free, but for future, if you want to proceed with it, you need to pay him recurring fees. What this does is that you have a virtual person. For this allows you to get a virtual assistant who will manage all your things on your website. So after you have successfully selected the things that you want, you can also skip on some things and then you can do the confirm purchase. For this first option, remember we are choosing the option of System Logic manages your canister and Git refers to pay later. This allows you to purchase a template without doing any payment because I've not yet connected my wallet. So if I click on confirm purchase, your template has been successfully purchased and your order has been placed. You will get back at your email with the template. If you see our admin panel, you will see that the customer was able to successfully purchase the template. However, if you see the payment time, it is set as pay later. This is available for only a limited time. In case you are not able to get this offer, you need to make the payment first. How you can make the payment is either by using our wallet, or you can contact our support team and use any other payment method to make the payment. You can go into the contact section. You can contact us from any of these options available. You can ask you want to purchase a template and we will help you purchase a template. And you can avail any available payment method option. But still, if you're an internet computer protocol user, you will be able to easily purchase these templates. If you click on wallet, you click on this connect button. Two options. Either you want your internet identity, this gives you a System Logic wallet, or you want to use platform. Both of these options are available. Let's go with an internet identity option. When you click on it, you just need to authenticate it. So once I have successfully connected, my wallet will be connected. And in here, you can see the balance that I have. My principal ID will be used to either get the funds or send the funds. You can send the funds out of here as well by placing another person's principal ID and the amount that you want. So for example, if I go into my plug wallet in here, right now this wallet is connected with the application, but if I want to send some funds in here, copy this, I can click on my plug wallet. If you see this like receive button, it gives you a couple of options. Count ID and principal ID. We are using the principal ID because it's more secure and it's more ICP oriented. I can also send some funds from this software wallet to my System Logic wallet by placing the principal ID like this, entering the amount, and clicking on the send button. So now I had 101 ICP. You can now see my ICP balance has increased. Now I can use this ICP balance to make a purchasing of a template. You can also disconnect from here and use plug wallet to purchase the template as well. So after you have connected your wallet, you go into this purchase section. You can see from here you can also click on connect button to connect your wallet. I can now disconnect from here as well. And we will enter the fields that we want and purchase it. Now going back in here, if you again have any confusion, feel free to contact our support team. They're here to support you. If you have any confusion with any option, please ask them. Or proceed with the payment directly. I will enter these details again. Be careful and entering your email because this is where you are going to get the template again. However, if you have entered the wrong email and purchased the template, you can again contact our support team and you can tell which wallet you used and we will get back to you. Here, enter everything that you want to add. Remember, this is now I am paying now. I'm not using this first option, I'm paying in advance. I want to manage my canister asset. You can also add this option as well. In here, you will enter the controller ID that you want to set as controller. Whatever options I want to select to, I have 101 ICP, I will remain in that. So in here, we have written the amount in dollars as well to kind of estimate how much it's costing. But here you're always going to be charged with this twice. So it says yes, yes. If I click on confirm purchase, I will be able to get all this. Template is purchased successfully. The payment was successful. So now I have purchased the template successfully. The same option will be with plug as well. You could just ask for one more confirmation when you are making the template purchase authentication. Other than that, the plug's flow will be similar. You can still use our wallet if you want, but if you don't want to use it, you can skip this option as well. Again, anything, any confusion, go into contact, any issue that you face, get to us and we will help you get this. Let's work together for decentralized future. Why you should be using our System Logic subscription is because it's a one-stop solution for everything. The current website that you're seeing is also on ICP chain. In the same place, you're getting the developers. In the same place, you're getting your website. In the same place, you're getting the data storage. In the same place, you're getting your SSL certificates. In the same place, you're getting your data hosting as well. Everything from scratch is managed in the same place, from developers to everything. System Logic saves you with all the admin. It is a one-stop solution for everything that you do. So just have an idea, ask System Logic to assist you with it, and we handle the rest of the things. We create websites that are 10 times more secure than normal websites, and we have advanced verification and authentication methods. So in 2025, System Logic is the best website solution provider that is out.